Hey everybody, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. So as you remember, in my last video, I told you that we will perform some Linux command. And in my last video, I teach you how you can install Ubuntu operating system on your Windows machine. So today we will execute some commands for learn Linux and the basics of the Linux commands. So let's get started. Now it's time to learn some commands. So I will teach you step by step. So we will start with touch command. Touch command is basically used for create an empty file. So now we will create an empty file named as file1. And on the left hand side, you can see our file has been created, and we are performing everything with the help of Linux. So the second command is mkdir. Mkdir is used for make a directory, or in Windows you can call it as a folder. So let's create a folder 1. Third command will be a move command, and a move command is basically used for move one thing or one file or one software to another destination. So we are moving file 1, and the destination will be folder 1. Okay, if you getting the error like this, so it's time to learn about one more command, which is sudo. Sudo is a command for use to execute a command with the super administrative privileges. And if you become a root user, you can execute any command that you want. So let become a root user, sudo su, and su is for super user. And when you type sudo su, it will ask you for enter your Linux password. So I am entering my Linux password. So now, as you can see, my layout has been changed, and now I am root user. Execute our move command once again. File 1, and our destination is folder 1. Now you can see our file has been gone, and that file is moved to our folder. So let me show you, and now we will execute cd command. Cd command is basically used for change directory. So if I change my directory to folder 1, and Now if I type ls, ls is basically used for list, and it shows all the result that you have inside your folder. So if I just type ls for list, as you can see, I have file 1 in my folder 1. So the next command is to remove that file from that folder, and we will use rm command, which is used for remove file or folder that you want. So I want to remove file 1. If I enter, that file has been removed from that folder. And if I type ls once again, now you can see my folder is empty. So the next command that I will teach you is pwd. pwd is basically used for print directory, print working directory. P is for print, W is for working, and D is for directory. And if I just hit enter, you can see the path where I am right now is C for my drive C, inside username, and inside username I'm on my desktop, and I am in my folder 1. So if I want to come back from my folder or file, so I will type cd space and 2 dots. Now you can see I'm come out from my folder. Now if I want to remove my folder, I will type remove folder 1. Okay, if you get an error like this, we will type remove -rf. It says we are removing this folder forcefully. So now if I type folder 1, now my folder has been gone, as you can see on the left hand side. So some files remove with force. Now it's time to execute another command, and it will nano. N-A-N-O. Nano is basically used for write something inside your file. So if you type nano and your file name, and when you hit enter, you can see the page where you can type anything that you want. As you can see, my file has been created. So now we will use our nano command. Nano file.txt. And you can see that in Linux, they provide an interface where you can execute or write something inside that file. Like I am creating or writing something, hello world, if you want to exit from that nano command, you will press Control X, hit enter, and then Y. And if you want to see what is inside this file and what we write inside that file, you will type cat file dot txt, and if I hit enter, you can see it is showing the result that we write inside our file. So here are some more commands that I want to show you. So here is another command, which is wget. Wget is a basically command we use if we want any software or anything that is in URL, or if we want to download any software and we are in Linux operating system, so we always use wget command to download that. So we use that command to install that software in zip file by helping this wget command. So now it's time to another command, and it will be history. When we type history and press enter, it shows everything that we execute previously. You can see we use cat command, nano, touch, remove command, cd, or all the list of the command that we used previously. So now we will clear the screen by press Control L. Now we have another command, which is apt-get. apt-get is basically package management commands used in different Linux distribution for installing, updating, and managing software packages. So let's execute that command. apt-get update. And if you want to update your Linux operating system, then you type that command and press enter, and it start the updating process. As you can see, our machine is updating. All right, our updating has been completed. Now I will clear my screen. Now if you want to check your disk space on your system, you will type df, press enter, and you can see the available disk size. So this is it for this video. Hope you guys learn something about Linux and learn some commands that you can try on your own systems. So if you have any questions about this video, please let me know in my comment section. We will meet in next video. Till then, keep learning, and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.